Regarding making money online, what you'll find here is priceless. You can learn quite a bit about making money online if you have good information first. Here you're going to learn what goes into this so that you can use this to your advantage. If this sounds interesting to you, the only thing you should do now is read through the tips here. You must predetermine your niche before you consider working online. Is writing one of your passions? Market your talents as a writer of online content. Does your talent fall in the graphic design area? You could get hired to work on the sites of others. Introspection will help you along. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Do some surveys. There are lots of paid surveys to be taken. You can make some decent money taking surveys online. But depending on the type of survey or which website is hosting it, you can make a few dollars or only a few cents, so learn which sites to avoid. Surveys can fill your leisure time, and any money from them does add up. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. Sign up for a data entry job if you want to make extra money on the side. These are time-consuming jobs, but can add up in the long run and do not require a lot of skill. One of the great benefits of this job is that you'll be able to do it in your home. Now you probably are able to see that it is possible to make money online. Whether you're just needing a little bit of income, or you may want a career, you can get these things done now that you know this information. Good luck and don't forget to give it your all. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.